everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's a hot, steamy July day, and today, hopefully all goes well, I'm going to share with you Vanity Bae's press-on nails. They reached out to me, and I've been wanting to try on press-on nails for a while now. Actually, last Fashion Week, when I was interviewing people, I was interviewing Gravy. At Gravy, I'll try and leave the clip here. And she had a great mani. I'm like, what is that? And she said it was Kiss, the Kiss press-on nails. So I was looking at those in the store and thinking about trying them, but I haven't really gotten around to it. So when Vanity Bae reached out to me, I was like really excited. I jumped at the chance. I'm like, I'd love to try them. So they sent me a whole bunch. They've got quite a few actually. Here is everything that they sent me. There's actually another one that I already opened that I kind of prepped. Then I'm going to do that one, I think. But they're reusable. You get 24 in each package. It comes also with an alcohol wipe, an orange stick, and instructions. I showed a video to see how to do it because I've never done anything like this before, and I'm not really a crafty person. I'm not good with my hands. I try to stick to computers, so wish me luck with this. But yeah, so they're reusable. Lots of different ones here. I chose shorter length. I like short length. I like very kind of natural looking nails. I'm not into those like super dragon lady nails. This is not my thing. I like them a little bit shorter. My own nails, I have a lot of problems with. They're very soft. They don't grow super well. They grow, but they break. When they do grow, they don't grow in very well. It's a lot of effort for me to shape them. They're just growing weird. Even my mom said that when she noticed that when I was little. It's great. So anyway, so I'm going to get ready to start doing this. So I'll take you guys closer into what I'll be doing. And yeah, I'm really, really excited to try this. So let's do this. So here's a closer look. I think they retail for about $11 each. Like I said, 24 reusable nails, but I love that they're reusable. I kind of have everything laid out, which is probably a smart thing to do, is to get them laid out before you start with the order that you want them in. They have lots of sizes. And it has, like I said, the orange stick, and the alcohol pad. So I'm about to start. I don't know if I'm going to show you everything, but every single nail, but I will show you as I start. First, I'm going to use this alcohol pad. Actually, maybe I should push the cuticles back first. So it's going to use that here. Just kind of push them back. I mean, you guys all know what that's like. I don't really need to show you that. So let me do that off screen. Next up, I'm going to use this. So here, each one, just get any oils off and make it stick a little better. So as I said, I already punched a hole in the glue. I'm going to start with my left hand since I have a little more control. Maybe I'll start with the pinky. It seems like that might be easier. So, yeah. Okay, the glue is getting everywhere. This is not good. Got the second one on. Glue is getting everywhere. I don't think I have the right kind of gloves, but they do look nice. But I didn't glue everywhere. Okay, now I did have this in order. Fuck. Oops, sorry. Okay, I'm not going to push quite as hard this time. So I now have 4. It's not too bad. You just have to be careful. I never did this before, and I pressed a little too much, and I got glue on one of my fingers that I'm having a problem getting off. So yeah, just be careful with that, not to just have to go very lightly. Let's let it let's kind of let it come out. Squeeze very lightly. So you just get some that. Kind of spread it around a little bit. You don't need that much, I don't think. So if I didn't spill it, it wouldn't have been sticking. And then you just put it on there like this. And then hold it. Hold it down for a few moments. You should feel it. Hopefully they last. I mean, they're reusable, so if they pop off, you can always pop it back on. So yeah, one hand down. I'm glad I did the left hand first because, right hand first. On right hand, it'll be easier for me to do the other one. So yeah, so I'm gonna keep on going until I have the other one done. Well, I did it. I have them all on. Yes, I do. So I think next time will be easier. Just a little bit of a learning curve with how to use the glue. I actually opened this part thinking that that maybe that released it, but I don't think it did. And more, I got out over here, and then I pressed too hard, and I got too much. So I definitely have some glue on my hands. Hoping that'll go away in a few days. But I guess there's a little struggle if you want to look gorgeous. So yeah, I do like them. Yeah, I think they look really great. Yeah, really super pretty. I like them. I never have nails this long because my natural nails will not grow that long. So this is really fun. Definitely for special occasions. Now I have to get used to having them on and be able to do things in them. So I'm doing it on vacation, so not when I'm at work. I don't know if I could actually do a lot of typing with this. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, I'm pretty happy with them. So I definitely recommend them. I'll leave it links below where you can get the Vanity Bae sets. Can't go wrong for $11. Definitely more affordable than a manicure, and they look great. And to me, they look pretty natural. It's not like you have natural long nails, not like that crazy long ones that are really not my style. So here they are, all done. One popped off, I had to pop it back on. Hopefully they stay. Pressing down. I'm not going to use water for a while. But yeah, a little bit of a learning curve. Like I said, I'm not a crafty person, but if I can pull it off, anybody can pull it off. Because this is like not my forte. I stick to computers. But yeah, I think they look really great. They're really fun. Like I said, I hope they stay. They're good for special occasions. They say they last up to 2 weeks. We'll see. I don't know. I think when you're washing and taking a shower, doing your hair, things like that. I don't know, but yeah, they're fun for special occasions, things like Fashion Week and events to go to. Tomorrow I have an event. I'm interviewing a jewelry designer. We're going to go about New York. I'm going to interview her and go to her favorite places to shop and eat. So things like that. We'll have an event and anything like that. I think it'll be great. So I have to get used to them, used to how to kind of do things, having such long nails because I never do. I don't have my nails never this long. So yeah, Vanity Bae. I think they're really great. Having $11, like I said, you can't really go wrong with that. So I'll keep you posted, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.